So in this video, I'm going to show you how to find a winning offer, and I'll show you examples of other winning offers in the marketplace that you can get inspired and just to see like how they work and how you can make it work for yourself as well. So for instance, this post is from the company called Traffic and Funnels. They're selling some coaching and helping people with their program. So as you can see here, see the ad copy. So it says make a fancy website, borrow 10K to pay for it, beg your friends for referrals, borrow another 10K because you're not getting enough clients to pay the bills. So life sucks, I ruin your future. So basically this is like the ad copies that these guys are using, and their target audience are coaches and consultants who wants to get who want to put automated systems in place in their business. And so you can see basically how how they took the pains that their market has, and basically they translated it into the ad copy. So people who are who've been through that, who made fancy websites, how to get a real job, people who've been told to get full-time jobs instead of like trying to do something by themselves. Like all these pains they have identified and simply like targeted in ad copy. So when target audience of this guy sees it, like it's like striking a nerve and like getting people to respond. So as you can see their landing page, it's calling out target audience. So that's their offer: how we generate high ticket clients using paid traffic and simple two-step funnel. You're not necessarily can like can say how you can generate high ticket funnels, high ticket clients, because it's against Facebook rules. You need to be careful with your claims. But here, like um, some of the like bullet points for this training. So this is the main offer: how we generate high ticket clients using paid traffic, simple two-step funnel. And here you can see the how to get people to apply to work with Zenros, simple tricks that allows you to show ads just to buyers, the fastest ways to scale, and all of these things that help them to help people to like to persuade people to sign up for their training. It's evergreen webinar, and basically that is their offer. So you'll need to define for your client what are the pain, or for your own product, what are the pains of the markets that you can target in your ads. So after the person clicks, after a person clicks on this ad, and if they have read it, like they're very qualified, because they're like they relate to all of this information here. They relate because that's what they have been through. I cannot see the image here, but like image here would not be as relevant as important, because the ad copy here is does all the selling, as you can see, and they translate the main message here, the main offer. So the other offer I want to show you is this product, which called Inbox. These are basically like temporary tattoos. So if your client or you are selling any type of like product, e-commerce product, you can see their ads. Their ads are doing very well, and you can see basically the positionings that they have, and how they like the creatives that they have, how they do product demonstration in their video. So for instance, this one, as you can see, it's massive. It's been published. So it's been published like last year. It's not new ad, but like it had almost 3 million views. And we can start, and we'll see the full Facebook video ad here. So as you can see, these videos are definitely doable. Like you can hire someone to do them for you. So they have thumbnail, as you've seen here, like thumbnail with smiles and with ad copy. And here you can click on learn more if you want to. So I would still improve this ad. Maybe those guys are pretty smart, but I would still improve this ad. I would have the copy the link to their website in here, so I would get additional clicks from here as well. And because like currently it's only like people need to go to their Facebook page. Maybe that's their agenda, like they want to do it like that, that people go to their Facebook page and they visit the website from there. But I would have a link URL in here, so people could click on it and go to the website straight away. And that's like they basically send people to their homepage, which does all the qualification. But as you can see, like we're talking about the offer here. So the offer here is the 2-week tattoo. Like it's very, because this product is new to the marketplace. It's over time more and more people will copy this product. It's what always happens. But right now it's 2-week tattoo, very simple offer, and on their website the offer is also very, very simple. 2-week tattoo, that's it. Like that's the main offer, and also how it works. So it explains everything like in few bullet points. So the look and feel of a real tattoo for 2 weeks, 100% organic formula applied in 15 minutes over 400 pre-made designs. Like everything you need to know about the product is here. How it looks, kit, which is simply applied, how to apply, the science. That's it. Let's get inked. And these guys are very like they're scaling. I'll show you their stats here. So this product is very, very popular. So you need to identify for your product or whatever you're selling or your client is selling, what is kind of like, if you can identify like few words that you can basically define what is the main problem or what is the main offer that you're selling. So here they're selling 2-week tattoo, so it's self-explanatory. And in the videos they do like more explanation, how to what it is. Then they like see the 2-week tattoos. These are some of their ads, very short ad copy. Just like you can learn a lot from it. So if you're doing like short videos, very simple, you can hire someone on Fiverr or on Upwork to do it for you. Like how to do it, like see, it's simple, explanatory. 340,000 views. World's first 2-week tattoo, 2-week tattoo reviewed, 2-week tattoo. Like see, their ad copy is very simple. There is nothing too fancy. Easy application, 100% organic formula. So this could be the retargeting ad. So as you can see here, like this is the whole strategy. Because their product is innovative. So, and they have a lot of traffic to their website. They're just started in April, guys, and right now they're getting 800,000 people to their websites. Half of that is social. So they're probably spending about 200 to 400 grand per month on paid traffic. So, but you can see like simple offer, innovative product. If you do not have an innovative product, I'll go through another. Like this is so this is Dr. Axe. It's one of another very, very popular people. It's in health niche. I'm not sure you could do you could do this legally. Facebook won't allow it, but maybe they allow it to them because they drive a lot of traffic and they buy I've heard $1 million per month on Facebook advertising. And here you can see like the first step in their funnel is educational video here. So they're registering people for the webinar. They also have this kind of educational posts, so we can check it out. So this is their offer: how to use essential oils to transform health, boost your energy, and as plant-based remedies. So very simple. Transform health, boost your energy, and as planted. So these are, kind of the. And you can see, don't suffer another second. This free training bring your health, happiness, and energy back in full force. Very generic offer, guys. What you need to understand is that like if you want to scale your offer big or your clients offer big, you cannot, you need to be as wide as possible with your offer. So for instance, you cannot say that like if you want to be like, they could say like this is the exact process to treat some specific health issues, but instead they're using very wide messaging, like transform health. Like who doesn't want to transform their health? Like almost everyone wants to do it, like 80% of population. Boost your energy. Who doesn't want to boost your energy? Like almost everyone wants to do it. And like these are very, very wide offers, and you'll see offers that are scaling very massively are these exact ones. So Dr. Axe, he has the audience of people. It might be a bit different for him because he already has the audience, but you might want to start small with some niche, like dominate it, and then switch your offer to serve a wider audience. And one more that I want to show you here. So these are guys in very very competitive niche, right? This is not like 2 week tattoos where they have they don't have much of the competition right now, or maybe I'm not aware of, but like it's kind of innovative product. But here these guys in a very popular, very competitive niche, and as you can see, this post here has 286,000 likes. The offer is very simple: restock, our top styles are back in stock. So this would probably ad was used for retargeting and maybe for cold audiences as well. And that's their offer: style shouldn't break the bank. So it's like, as you can see, like they have good products, they have good margins on products, so they can spend a lot on advertising, and also they have like this kind of, as you can see, some of their ads very simple. It's like cinematographics, and see, very simple, very 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 simple. 400,000 likes. Dress like very simple, guys, very simple, guys. And so this is their offer as well: fair price, quality, crafted, styled, minimalism, free shipping worldwide. And so this ad is probably used for retargeting. So they're sending people, like first they're getting people to click on their ads with ads like this, and then there is retargeting where they're using carousel ads. And we'll go to their post just to see where it's leading us. So for example, shop now, and we'll see where it's leading us. So their offer is very simple, guys. You can see, don't let time pass you by, style shouldn't break the bank. It's kind of the main audience that they want to attract, like people who want to have stylish pieces, but at the same time they don't want to spend like $5,000 on a watch. So they're going after those people. And see, like very simple, watches starting at $95, high quality watches shouldn't break the bank. This is their offer. Very simple and a very mass appeal. Help us celebrate our 15 off site-wide for a limited time. Shouldn't break the bank. Shouldn't break the bank. Shouldn't break the bank. Like all this, like it's like, see, they're using because it works for them. So for you, you'll need to identify what is your main offer. We've seen it here. Main offer is very simple: how we generate high-ticket clients using paid traffic and simple two-step funnel. So people who would click on it would know what is funnel. People who click on it and who would register would know what is paid traffic, and people who click on it would know what it is high ticket clients. So as you can see, it's pre-qualifying people. Like the ad should pre-qualify. So if they have this ad, people who click on it already aware of it, like they know the problems that there's like a lot of activities that you can do, make a fancy website, million blog posts, like you can do a lot of stuff that really don't get you any clients. So those guys like just leverage that into their offer. And yeah, so we've seen unique products here. We've seen just regular products here. Um, we've seen coaching. We've seen Dr. Axe ads. This is retargeting ad. This is retargeting ad. It's probably retargeting as well. So that's their funnel. They're sending people here, and then they have people to register for a training. So guys, hope it is helpful. I use this little tool here, Dartpost Engine. If you want, like there are multiple tools available on the market to do competitive research. I'll attach probably some examples of competitive research tools, so you can do analysis of your competitors' offers, what they're saying in their ads, how they're attracting their target audience, and so you can apply it for your client or for your own business and craft offers that sells a lot of your product. Thank you, guys.